make it be at, could it be at like any time? Cause, well, see, guess what? Charlie lives at an apartment, which is not too far, but Gail lives wicked far.
Oh no. Gail lives not wicked far.
She lives a bit far, so it should be at like 1.
Why is it chilly right now? What's going on? I don't appreciate this. Oh well. It's freaking August. What are we gonna do? Yeah?
Yeah, like 1, because Gail lives like an hour.
Yeah. That is so awesome. Let's go see the chestnuts. Go look at Boquitas. Yeah, go ahead. American chestnut trees are so awesome, so awesome. Well, hello, you beautiful chestnuts. So where are the chestnuts? Oh, look at this little dude. He's beautiful. No, baby looks so confused. It's like, what the hell? A mirror? A mirror?
How much mica there is?
Hell yeah, woman.
That's a lot of sports.
You can look at them, they're not outdoorsy. You're supposed to give people space. Space. I really fucking can't stand people. Why do you think I go exploring? I'm not gonna pretend that I like humans. How does a person gift a state a lookout? It's a lookout. You can't own a lookout. Look at that. Oh, yeah. But are you sailboats friends? There's like a little lighthouse down there. I don't know if you can see it. It's a beach. It's probably Lake Sunapee beach. Another beach. I'm going in hot. I'm gonna pee-pee. Oh, look at that spider web. This is my bedroom. Well, this is the living room.
It's like a whole...
They chose such a big center tree that you can't even fit in there, though.
Add a nature. Okay, I'm gonna turn my room into a nature room. Good idea, right, Ruby?
I love that idea.
I want to find all the pretty stuff.
Should have one room of ocean stuff, one room of like bones and stuff, one room of like rocks. And then one room of like feathers and other miscellaneous items.
I'm gonna take the room of rocks. Okay?
Rocks are so awesome.
Oh, wow! I'm gonna go. Oh, wow. Oh, that's a neat one.
Do it, baby. I see the perfect boulder to soak up some sun.
Even a baby has gymnastics.
Yeah, go in it. Every time you read about or see something on New England, you're going to hear about stone walls. Here. There's an example. They're everywhere. They really are. They're old property boundaries. So that is very New England.